Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version, so open Huawei AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, scroll down, and right here at the bottom on the right side we have Update. Tap at this line, hit check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see button download and install. You just tap at this button and wait until this update finished, and you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then click this button. Now, also in the application right here you can go to the settings, and at the top we have smart wear detection. So what this mode do, when you listen a music or watching a movie and remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically stop your audio, and when you put it back it will automatically resume audio. So if you don't need this, just tap one time at the slider and disable this mode. Next step, maybe this one is a problem with your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. And also I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest software version for this application and update if you haven't. The last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid, and at the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking white. It's okay, just enter to pairing mode. Don't worry, keep holding this button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. If you use dual connection, you need to reconnect them with both of your phones. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. And if you haven't, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS or turn off, go back and return to the Bluetooth. But right now it doesn't work on iOS 26. On iOS 26 we need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, but maybe they will fix that in the future. And after that, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically after factory reset, so you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list. You don't need to use connectional button for it, and we have connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!